Hey guys, I'm Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would show my recent haul from the Nature's Co brand website and would review my opinion about each of them one by one. Now, the Nature's Co is a very famous luxury brand for skincare, hair care and bath and body products. The inspiration being nature, that means all of its products are manufactured with only natural extracts and they are totally chemical free, cruelty free and vegan. Now this brand has 5 different ranges with 5 purest form of nature like atmosphere, which is the products with elements of air. The second one is terrais, that means sun elements. Third is fluorescence, that is with forest elements. Fourth is aquaspark, that is with goodness of water. And the fifth one is earthborn, that is the goodness of Mother Earth. This is really very good because if you're allergic to a particular ingredient or a particular fragrance, then of course you can try some other ranges of them. Okay, so let me first tell you that I have purchased 1 skincare, 2 hair care and 2 bath and body products in my Nature's Co haul. And the first product is the skincare product. It is Nature's Co peppermint face wash for oily skin from their atmosphere range. Guys, believe me, this face wash is just awesome. It has a cooling effect on my face and this is the effect of the peppermint, and it soothes my skin from any irritation like tanning, redness, sunburn, pimple, anything. Like, it is just amazing for this summer. It removes the excess oil and dirt, but it does not dry up my skin. That means it is not stripping out the natural oil of my skin, and that's really great. And I have also tested whether it can remove normal makeup from my face or not, like a mascara or a lipstick or a kajal, and yes, it has passed the test. It functions as a good makeup remover as well. Now coming to the price, it is 445 rupees for 125 ml. Moving on to my next part of the haul, that is hair care products. In hair care products, I have bought 1 oil and 1 shampoo. First I will review the oil, then the shampoo. Now the oil which I have purchased is the Rosemary Rejuvenating Hair Oil. It is from their Fluorescence range, and I have heard a lot about the goodness of this hair oil, believe me. So I just gave a try to it, and this hair oil is actually very well known for curing premature graying and preventing hair fall. But honestly speaking, I have not experienced such exceptional results till now. Because of course there may be a reason that they have recommended to use thrice a week in the back of the direction portion of the bottle, but being a working woman, I just don't get so much of time, so I use it just once a week. Maybe that is the reason that I'm not getting such good results. It is just as similar as a normal olive oil or almond oil in the market. I'm not telling that it is bad, but I expected something much better because the price is really very high, like around 500 rupees for 100 ml. It is actually 495, so almost 500. So it should have some more prominent functions that I expected. So I may or may not repurchase this one. Coming on to the shampoo, I have purchased Nori hair cleanser from Nature's Co, and it is from their Aquaspark range. Now just see the color and the packaging, so it is to die for. And coming to its function, it makes my dry hair softer even without using conditioner or oil, but my hair becomes a little bouncy or voluminous after each wash, which is a little unmanageable to me. So I just use a regular hair serum after shampooing, but in terms of softness or smoothness, it really is a great product. So anyone with a dry scalp or a dry hair, you can of course go and try it. And for price, it is 795 rupees for 250 ml bottle, so that is, I think, okay. So this was all about the hair care products. Now coming to bath and body products, there is 1 body wash, and then I would review the body butter. Now first is the sunflower body wash for all skin type from the Terrais range of Nature's Co. Now this shower gel is so refreshing. It needs a very little quantity and it works really good on your skin with a mild refreshing scent. Tends to retain for around next 1 hour, so that is not bad. but you need to take really in small quantity, like a small coin size droplet, otherwise it may dry up your skin, as I have faced this in my first time usage. Price, it is 545 rupees for 250 ml, so that is quite reasonably priced. And now the fifth product and the last product is the Irish Moss body butter, and this is from their Aqua Spark range. Now actually I have not purchased this one, but since I have purchased all the 4 products, it came as a surprise free gift to me, so I was really happy. But I don't like to use body butters in summer because most of them are very sticky on my skin and they do not get absorbed easily, and I feel like I'm sweating, so I don't prefer to use body butters in summer. But when I use this to just review before you guys, I was so much astonished because it is so good and it is just a perfect body butter for the summer. It has a very mild sweet kind of smell, not overpowering, and its texture is so very smooth. A very little amount can spread out on a big area and it gets absorbed in a moment. And one good thing that I have noticed about all the products, that the scent, that is a fragrance, that is very mild, yet they are very sweet and refreshing kind of. No particular ingredient scent is overpowering in them, because many of us do not like a particular kind of scent or the other. Though this Irish Moss body butter is a free gift, but still I would like to mention the price. The full size tub is for 200 ml and it comes for rupees 12.95, but they have given me a 35 ml tub. If I calculate the price, it comes around 230 rupees. So yeah, that is good. So yes guys, that was all of my reviews, and I am really impressed with most of the products of Nature's Co, and I am planning to repurchase them. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Signing off for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.